Hi, kindergarten friends. I wanted to give you a quick instructional video about in May, I wrote my name like this. Now on this page, it says, in May, I wrote my name like this. And then it says, Miss Duncan. Now you are not supposed to write Miss Duncan, correct? That's correct. You are not. That's Miss Duncan's name. She was showing you that as an example. You are going to write these words. In May, I wrote my name like this, and then you are going to write your first name and your last name. So I'm going to show you a little example here on this piece of paper so you can see how carefully I want you to try to write this. All right, so the first thing you do is you look up at the first word, in. It has an uppercase first letter and a lowercase second letter. Okay, so I'm going to do my best here to write it just like that. I'm going to write uppercase first letter, lowercase second letter. Now I'm using a black pen. I want you to use pencil. I'm using this because it shows up better so you can see it, but I want you to use pencil for this. Now there is a space between those words, so I make sure I put a space when I write this one. Now the next word is May. That's the month we're in. So I'm writing an uppercase M, because months always start with an uppercase letter, and then AY. So I'm going to write M, so I'm going to space, M, A, so I can just look back up there if I need to for each one. Y, in May. See how carefully I'm trying to write this? Another space. The word is I. Oh, it's a sight word. I. In May, I wrote. Now I've got a space between my words and I need to look, there's a lot of letters in that word, so I'm going to write it carefully. I'm going to go one more letter at a time. Okay, W, R, O, I'm doing the best I can. T, it might not look exactly like it looks up there, but that's all right. E, good. In May, I wrote, sight word, space between the words. M-Y spells Y, my, M-Y. I wrote my. Now I go back here, to the next line. And the next word is name, N-A-M-E. So I'm going to do my very best to write this, N-A-M-E. Another sight word, what's that word? Like. So down here, space, I'm writing lowercase letters for all these, L-I-K-E. And then the last word is this. Starts with T, H, I, S. So now it says, in May, I wrote my name like this. Now here's the part that I want to show you. First name and last name. So if I was writing this, I would write my first name and my last name. So my first name starts with an uppercase letter. First name. Last name also starts with an uppercase letter, but the rest are lowercase. So when you have this to turn in, it's going to look like this. In May, I wrote my name like this. First name, last name. Okay, work hard on this one.